Hey everyone, today's video will probably be short but hopefully sweet, and I want to share with you this really cute book that I received for my birthday. And I've been filming for intuitive painting in watercolors hectically and trying also to, I don't know, manage everything with having my kids at home all the time. So it's been challenging, I won't deny it, but I just thought I would share this book with you. I think it would be a really fun gift for yourself or the art journalist in your world. So it's called The Sketchbook Idea Generator, Mix and Match Prompts for Your Art Practice, and it's by Jennifer Orkin Lewis, who is I think August Wren on Instagram. She's a wonderful illustrator that has a very unique style, and it's kind of playful, whimsical, and I think she mostly uses gouache. Check her Instagram account, hopefully I can link to it if I remember, and you'll see exactly what I mean. Really, really fun stuff. So the idea of this book is that you can mix and match all kinds of ideas, and we'll get to that in a second. I just want to show you how it looks. It's just very loyal to her style, and you know, even the font is like a handmade font. So you can see you have here how this idea generator works. The pages in this book are divided into 3 mix and match sections: subject, medium or technique, and colors. Together, these 3 sections generate a complete prompt. So, for example, the prompt: 3 nesting dolls in watercolor, and the technique is layering wet over dry paint, and then these are the colors, and then this is what she created. And I just love this. I think, you know, this would be fantastic for beginners, but also for those of us that are not beginners anymore, but maybe, you know, some days you just want to sit and do something and you don't actually want to come up with a brand new idea, where, well, she solved that problem for you. And she has here demonstrations which are really lovely, again with her very colorful, whimsical, happy style. She uses color fantastically. So you have here using blocks of colors, wet over wet, outlines, wet over dry. It's really lovely. Then we have gouache, colored pencil, crayon, and then we get into the generator. So you have subject, medium, technique, and colors, and you can just, you know, flip around and play. And I think my particular favorite is the colors inspiration, because I have an obsession with colors, and I think it's just really great to have a bunch of ideas in book form with all of the other ideas, that you don't have to go to Pinterest and then get lost there and then spend all your time scrolling instead of painting. So there's just a ton of things. You can see everything in your bag for the subject, a famous bridge, a floral wreath, imaginary creatures. There's so much here. I can't show you everything because it would take too long. And then at the end, there's also a really nice section: medium plus technique demonstrations continued, and then there's more. There's brush pen, there's pen and ink, miscellaneous techniques, really beautiful. I mean, look at this painterly style. I love that. Mixed media, again, so many fun ideas in such a, I think, like, you know, user-friendly way. It's very compact and succinct, and you know, you can just flip through it and be inspired, pick a technique that you find interesting, or, you know, choose a prompt and then search for the coordinating page. And then the colors here, again, these are always, I think it's really inspiring, especially if you feel it's a challenge to pick good color combinations. Well, she can help. So it says about the author is a New York-based artist, illustrator, and author. Draw every day, draw every way, and 100 days of drawing. Oh yeah, August Wren, I was right. So you can search for her Instagram account. It's full of her beautiful art. I think it's just a really, really cute book, great for presents, and yeah, great for the new year if you want to get into art journaling, keeping a sketchbook, then this could be a really fun and easy way to go about it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, hopefully very soon, hopefully in another video. Have a great 2021. Thanks for watching. Bye.